This is everything you need to know to prune your roses. Hi, I'm Jane. So after a long winter, we need to prune the roses to allow them to bloom. So let's get into it. Before we start pruning the rose, we want to assess it for any diseased or dead wood, crossing over branches, and dead heads. When using a pruning saw, you want to make sure it's nice and sharp and use that to cut off any rootstock that's below the graft or any thick wood up in the rose bush. So we're going to start by cutting off the dead and diseased wood. And we cut it on a 45-degree angle away from the bud. Find a swelling bud on the outside and cut away from it. This is a good example of a crossing over branch. There's a couple of here, but we're going to choose the oldest of the branches. Compared to what it looked like to now, it may seem a little bit harsh, but we need to do this for the next flowering season. So we're going to start mulching the roses now to help keep the weeds down in summer and to keep the moisture in. My hot tip is to pre-wet it so it spreads easier and there's nothing flying around in the air. So there you have it, pruned roses for spring and summer. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.